What is Power BI and why everyone is crazy about Power BI? In simple words, Power BI is a data analysis tool used to import and analyze data from a variety of sources within the Power BI environment. Power BI offers wide range of data integration. Also, you can create visually appealing reports and dashboards that convey insights effectively. In Power BI, you will find the same ribbon as the Microsoft Office products have. In this ribbon, you will find different tabs like File, Home, Insert, Modeling, View, Optimize, and Help. Inside these tabs, you will find different groups. The Home tab has the group Clipboard, Data, Queries, Insert, Calculation, Sensitivity, and Share. In the Power BI, you will find three panels on the right side: Filters, Visualization, and Data. Inside the Data panel, you will find all the data that you will insert inside the Power BI. And in visualization, you will find all the tools that are used to create the dashboard inside Power BI. You can see here different charts, slicers, tables, and matrices. The filter panel is used to filter out your data. By using filter panel, you can filter out the charts, tables, and matrices inside the Power BI. In Power BI, you can import multiple type of sources. Let's click here on Get Data from Other Sources. Here you can find different categories like files, database, Microsoft Fabric, Power Platform, Azure Online Services, and others. So these are different types that can be integrated and imported inside the Power BI. Let's import an Excel file inside the Power BI. So there is an option Excel Workbook. We will just select this and click here on Connect. We have inserted the workbook that has two tables, product data and sales data. We will insert both of these tables, so we have checked both of these boxes, and now we will just click here on load. So our data has been imported. Now in data panel, you can find the data that we have imported inside the Power BI. After importing data, we can drag these different types of visuals on the report view. In Power BI, we have three different views. Right now, we are in the report view. We have another view with name table view. In this view, you will find all the tables that have been imported inside the Power BI. This is the product data table. When you will click here, and then you will find the sales data table. We have another view with name model view. Inside model view, you will find the model of our data and the connection of different tables inside our data. Here you can see that both of these tables has the connection, and the connection is the product ID that is same in both of these tables. So this was the simple overview of Power BI, that what is Power BI and what you can do with the Power BI. If you still have some queries, then you can ask in the comment section. That's all for this video.